All right, last
Congrats.
one.
T-Rex gets Christmas jumper at Natural History Museum in London. Oh, I knew it had to be a London story because they said jumper.
Yes.
Did you know what a
It's,
jumper was before?
It's like a sweater,
Yeah,
but that's how they say it in the UK, right?
yeah. In the UK, a sweater is a jumper.
Mm-hmm. Obviously, with the pandemic, not a lot of people are visiting these museums. So all across the UK, they decided to decorate these dinosaurs by outfitting them with Christmas spirit. So in this case, there's a company that knitted this sweater for the T-Rex.
It's not gonna be easy, right? It's a custom fit.
Yeah, they said it's like 10 times the material of like a regular sweater.
Yeah, I guess. Not much on the arms though.
Yeah, they could save some material on the arms, but the pattern that they made and it fits snugly on them. I thought it was pretty nice.
The animatronic T-Rex is that's an animatronic T-Rex. That's especially cool. So that thing moves.
Yeah.
It's sporting the festive knit, which has been made by a family-run firm. Do you know how you say that place? I want to see you try.
Leicester?
That's Leicester.
Is it Leicester?
I think so.
Okay, well, yeah.
Maybe we should do a pronunciation. Give it to us, Will.
Oh boy.
No, because you look at it and you're like, there's a lot of letters in there. Don't panic. Leicester, yeah, I was right.
Leicester.
Oh, okay.
But you look at it. No, it's because the only reason I would have brought it up is because I would have had the same moment you did, which was, wait a sec, how's that pronounced? And then I would have learned it and retained it. Thank God.
Did you know about it before?
I honestly think we might know someone who lives there.
Both of us?
Yeah, I think.
Oh.
I think Super Saf might live there.
Super Saf.
I might be crazy. I don't know. I just feel like. Am I? Okay. Search this up right now. Let's get to the bottom of this. Did I just make this up? Did he tell me this when he was here? Do you remember he brought us chocolate? Yes, born in Leicester.
Oh, okay.
You see, man, some things you remember. I don't know
why. The
more
you know.
I don't know. Some things you remember. Shout out Super Staff.
And this is another one.
Oh,
another museum.
So this is a thing that they're doing. Wait, that's
all across the UK.
All across the UK.
Yeah. So they put on a giant Santa hat on this T-Rex fossil.
It's a very unexpected crossover. Christmas and dinosaurs.
Yeah.
But you know what's weird, Will? One of my most memorable Christmas gifts I ever got when I was a youngster was a book on dinosaurs. And there's a video clip of me running around. I probably was like 4 or 5 years old. And there's a video clip. I mean, probably the video clip is gone because it's probably shot on like beta or something.
Okay.
But there's a video clip of me running around saying, I got my dinosaur book.
You got your dinosaur book. What's your
So that's my dinosaur Christmas crossover.
What's your favorite
I
gift?
like that Triceratops.
Oh, okay. You like the tri?
Yeah, I like triangles and triples and big Triceratops guy. You know, the big. I felt like kind of a good mix.
Yeah.
Good mix of attributes. And everyone picks a T-Rex or the Raptor, so I was like, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
Then again, I was 5.
Those are easy.
I feel like these things can change over time. And certainly if I had investigated more deeply, I may select something else at a later date. It's quite possible.
Okay. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
To all dinosaurs. Every dinosaur.